Hi, I'm Mark Smalley, lead editor of ITIL 4 High Velocity IT. That's that biggish pink book on my bookshelf alongside my other publications. I'd like to invite you to join me on Thursday, September the 22nd at 6 p.m, which is midday US Central Time, when I'll be hosting Good eLearning's webinar, Elevate the Weakest Link in Your Digital Value Chain. We'll take a look at the scope of the digital value chain and think about identifying and elevating constraints. Then we'll see how guidance in high velocity IT can help you with improving value and flow and reducing waste. But how does this affect your IT operating model? Well, we'll explore that as well, referring not only to ITIL 4 but also the operating model canvas, which I find a very useful concept. We'll also have plenty of time for any questions you have, so don't miss this chance to get my insider's perspective. Click on the link and register for free today.